What I wish I knew 5 years ago: AI isn't just in sci-fi movies, it's hiding in plain sight, shaping your daily routine. Let's pull back the curtain. Chances are, artificial intelligence is already shaping your day, before you even finish your morning coffee. You know those eerily accurate Spotify playlists? Or how YouTube always suggests just the right video? That's AI-powered recommendation engines, learning your tastes and serving up content you'll love. Unlocking your phone with your face? Yep, facial recognition is a form of AI, analyzing thousands of data points in milliseconds to keep your device secure and make things faster. Even your grocery list is getting smarter. Ever noticed your shopping app predicts what you need next? Or your email sorts out spam before you even see it? That's AI quietly organizing your life behind the scenes, and those helpful voices in your pocket, Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant, aren't just clever party tricks. They're powered by AI that's getting better at understanding your real-world questions every single day. But here's the wild part: most of us barely notice. AI doesn't look like a robot taking your job. It's more like a silent partner, streamlining your day, one tiny task at a time. So next time you get a spot-on movie pick or the perfect playlist, remember, AI is already here, and it's making your life easier in ways you might never have guessed. The future isn't coming, it's already in your pocket.